Today we're going to walk through the 10 steps needed to complete the TryHackme Network Services Challenge SMB portion, all mapped to the MITRE ATT&CK matrix. And there will be no spoilers with this walkthrough that would rob you of any learning opportunities on the specific techniques. So stay tuned to learn how to exploit SMB for the TryHackme Network Services box and discover the 8 MITRE ATT&CK matrix TTPs used in this box. Okay, so when we're walking through the network services box on TryHackme, the first thing that we're going to tackle is SMB. Now, there are some questions that the user has to answer, but we're mainly just going to cover the actual hands-on keyboard attack portion. So we're going to start here. We're going to see step 1. The MITRE ATT&CK TTP is T1423. That is network service scanning. It's part of the discovery tactic. Okay, so as the attacker, what we're going to do is we're going to do step 1, we're going to start scanning the network. What we're going to find is step 2, that's going to lead us to network share discovery. Okay, so T1135. We're going to scan the network, we're going to scan for services, step 2 is going to be network share discovery. Okay, so one thing about these walkthroughs is think of it like an escape room, right? You can kind of get clues as to what you're supposed to do, but I'm not going to tell you exactly how to do it. So step 3 here, we see that we are going to find SMB shares. That's T1021002. Now, if you'll see that this T1021002, it's actually highlighted red. For each of these walkthroughs, one MITRE TTP will be highlighted as essentially the root cause for this entire attack chain. If you want to learn how to stop a chain, if you could only address one thing, if you can only fix one thing, it's going to be what's highlighted in red. So we see that, in my opinion, SMB shares, step 3 is the root cause. So there will be a corresponding 60-second attack video for each of the highlighted red MITRE ATT&CK matrix TTPs that are discovered to talk about what they do, the mapping NIST controls to them, and any tools that could be used to test the mitigations. So anyway, step 3, SMB shares remote services. Step 4 is going to be, okay, so we have the SMB shares. Now we're going to collect data from that share. So that's data from local systems, collection T1105. That will lead us to step 5, which is local accounts discovery. Local account discovery, T1078003. That's going to lead us to step 6, which is file and directory discovery. So we're going to use the local accounts to continue to look further for things, which is going to lead us to step 7, private keys, unsecured credentials, T1552004. So just walking through this phase again, we got local accounts, account discovery. We take a local account, we use that account to discover another file, and in that file we find unsecured credentials. That leads us to step 8, local accounts. So again, we're going to take these credentials and maybe examine them a little bit further to get T1078003, local account discovery. Then we're going to take that account that we just discovered, we're going to use it in step 9, SSH remote services. So we're continually evolving our level of access. It's not necessarily a privilege escalation, but we're continuing to evolve how we're able to access this host. So from step 9, we're going to be able to SSH, we're going to remote in, which will lead us to step 10, data from local systems collection T1005. Step 10 is the user capturing the flag. So if you look through all 10 of these steps again, it starts at network discovery, you scan, you discover a network share, you are able to do something with those shares, you can gather data from the share that's discovered, you're going to discover a local account. Within that local account, you'll be able to go back and look for something else, which is an unsecured credential. You'll be able to take that unsecured credential, elevate your access, get a new account, SSH back in, and gather the flag. And that is the SMB portion of TryHackme Network Services. So thanks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, definitely hit the subscribe button and get notified whenever more walkthroughs like this come out. And I will see you around. Thanks.